Alright, so we're back to comparing fractions with unlike denominators. We're going to be doing with a number line this time. So I'm going to show you a couple examples just like the students have on their assignments. I'm not going to have them draw the number line. Oops, that is not the number line one. Sorry, you guys. I'm not going to have them draw the number lines themselves because that would be difficult to do on the computer. If they would like to practice, they can do some on IXL or they could do some on paper. But these number lines are the ones they'll be having for their assignment. So they're already broke up for them, and on tests they will already be broken up. They don't have to do any of that. They should be able to label them. So our first one says 3/5 compared to 3/4. We could use the trick we learned in the last video about looking at the top numbers. They're the same, so comparing the bottoms, but we're going to go ahead and use our number line just for practice because we have it here. So we have our symbols we can use: less than, greater than, or equal to. So the first thing is I'm going to look at my first number line because it's divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts. So I know it's going to be 3/5 is going to be on this number line and 3/4 is going to be on this number line. So all I'm going to do is count from, you go from 0, so this will be 1/5, 2/5, 3/5. So I know it's going to go right here, and that will be 3/5. Now I'm going to look at my fours because it's broken into 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to find 3/4 on my number line. So 0, and just like numbers, you're going to count 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. And we're just going to see which one is further on the number line since our number lines are exactly the same length. I can see that 3/4 is closer to the 1, which makes it greater. So I'm going to put my 3/5 is going to be less than 3/4. Because if we look at 3/5, it ends right here. And that's closer to the 0 compared to this 3/4. Let's look at another example of it on a number line for you guys. Do one more example on a number line so that you guys can use it to help you with your assignment this week or any questions in the future. Oops. Right. Let's pull up our second number line. And again, these are examples that are from their assignments this week. So that way they can watch this and help them after class so if they get stuck. So again, we're going to do 2/3 compared to 3/8. You can see this is the thirds. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to find 2/3. So 0, 1/3, 2/3. So 2/3 is going to be right here. And now I'm going to look at the 3/8. So make sure this has 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I'm going to find 3/8. So 0, 1/8, 2/8, 3/8. So it's going to be right here on this third line. So 3/8. Now I just want to see which one is greater than. So I can see 2/3 is way closer to this 1. So it means 2/3 is going to be greater than 3/8. So I can see that 2/3 goes right here and 3/8 goes right here. So I can see that 2/3 is further along in the number line, which makes it greater. If you guys have questions when completing this, please let me know.